Hello, this is the fourth part of our video series for mHM installation. We already installed and run the model successfully and we were seeing the output files. The discharge out, again, to remember, this is observed vector. This is simulated discharge values. You can plot it on Excel to see the performance or calculate some metrics. It's also available in netcdf, and this is very important for us. You can use Panoply NASA program to visualize your results in netcdf format. For example, all our outputs were set to true. Then now what we see are all the skills of the model. Model can calculate or simulate actual AT at layer 1, 2 layers of the soil, and interception, PET, effective precipitation or total runoff. You can read snowpack. This is quite rare to have such a skillful model. Usually we are interested in runoff and discharge after routed, but you can also calibrate or evaluate your model based on actual ET, snowpack, soil moisture using remote sensing data. So just right click and select the second one usually, and then interpolate. This is your model at 24 kilometer scale. And since this is monthly, you see the months. If it would be daily, you would see the days. That's a great option to see different resolutions, temporal and spatial resolution of the model. If you want to run model different than 24 kilometer, it's possible, but you need some exercise. So that was our case. And if you want to run or share your model with your colleagues, you can simply share the executable without requiring any CYGWIN operation, but you need to share this bin folder as well with your colleagues. Just get this one as zipped, and then together with your folder. For example, recently I did it for my colleagues, and here there are 3 models: Karasu, Hurman, and Himmetli, and we have bin folder with all the DLLs after installing all libraries. So I'm now independent of installation of CYGWIN, and we can directly run these models separately. In test Bayesian folder, we arranged all the setup came from Leipzig, and if you want to run it, you just check it here. False, it's a simulation, okay. And I wrote a batch file here. It's adding the PET. It's the mHM Turkey. If you are saving these folder files in a different place, you need to update these parts, and then just start mHM exec. This is quite straightforward. You double click this batch file, and then you get the outcome for this Karasu Bayesian. It's quite good, 0.81 Neshut Cliff. And I also added this one for courtesy, because I prepared this model for my colleague Salih Babagiray. And then you can play with the model and parameters using this one. These are from my side. These are not required actually. Okay, exe is here, the inputs are here, all are here, but you just need these files. Let's see the outputs. You want to see the outputs, then you need to see the outputs here, simulated, observed, and that's it. So first thing you need to do is double click this batch file, but before that you need to update